Are you going through your dog lover stuff? I'm checking it all out. Oh, found something you liked? Off you go. What's that? What is it? Give that a run for its money, don't you? Yep, that's got to come off anyway, so I'm glad you took it off for me. Good boy, spit it out. It's got a 30-day guarantee, so we'll see how he goes.